Uber X and Bolt 8K monthly challenge. Assalamu alaikum, marhaba, welcome, salute, khush amdeed, pakhair. Day 6 out of 30. Guys, as usual, we will start our day 6 from the expense. So, petrol 35 pound, food at work 5 pound, car insurance 10 pound, car rental 18 pound, phone bill 3 pounds. Total expense for the day 6 is 71 pounds. Guys, let me know how much was your expense for Saturday. Let me know in the comment box. Yeah, thank you. Let's move forward to the earning. Yeah, so the earning for day 6 is Uber 205 pound, Bolt 65 pound. So the total earning for day 6 Saturday, my day 6 was Saturday, yesterday, it's 270 pounds. Guys, let me know in the comment box, is a Uber X driver, Uber executive, Uber Lux or Comfort, how much was your earning for Saturday? I will appreciate it. Total net profit after expense 199 pound, but guys, remember this 199 pound is before tax, and don't forget I had to put 11 hours work to make this 199 pounds. So what do you think? Is this good money? Guys, I have an incredible giveaway for you. When I reach 50k subscriber on my YouTube channel, I will be giving away 5-day all-inclusive holiday to Morocco or Dubai. So why are you waiting? Subscribe the channel and you could be the winner.